Okay, so yung next naman natin mga bata is the weighted moving average ano or yan tama, weighted moving average. Okay, so may given po na weights ano dun sa, problem and you're just going to average it using the weights that was given. Ano, so since ang ginamit natin a while ago is 2-year moving average. So yun na lang din yung gamitin natin, 2 weighted. Excuse me. Okay, so let's say ang atin pong weights na given is 10 and 20. Ano, so yung highest weight, kalimitan naman kahit walang nakalagay sa problem, kung alin po yung higher na weight, ano, yung 20, yun po yung imomultiply sa most recent, ano, most recent. Kung ito ay ah, kuhanin lang natin si year 2027. So therefore, yung 20 na weight ay imomultiply lang natin simply dun sa mas recent. So that is kay 2026. Ano? At yung 10 ang imomultiply kay 2025. Okay? So laging ganun kahit hindi po nakalagay sa problem. Unless otherwise may nakalagay tapos po ay ang na-mention yung lower weights ang imomultiply sa recent period. Ano, ayan. Pero 'pag walang nakalagay, it's automatic kung ano po yung higher weight, yun yung imomultiply sa mas recent na period. Okay, yan. So ganun ulit ano, so since kailangan natin nga yung mga previous data para makuha yung pong forecast, thank you. Yung forecast error. So yun, excuse me lang. Okay po, ayan. So pabalik na lang tayo, pataas na lang. So unahin muna natin yung year 2027. Ano? Ayan. So we have, ang gagawin natin, so yung atin pong recent year, ano, ay imomultiply dun sa higher weight. So which is yung 20. And then plus lang natin yung atin pong previous year, when, yung 2025, imomultiply doon sa isa pang weight. Ano? Ayan. And then divided by the uh, sum of the weights. So that is 30. Na mababago kasi 'to kaya madali naman 'to siyempre kapagka mano-mano yung kinompute using your calculator. Ayan, okay. So next, doon sa for year 2026, so gano'n ulit. So we have, uh, yung dalawang previous year is 25 and 24. So yun munang recent, so that is 479 ang multiply kay 20. Then plus yung atin pong 417 multiplied by 10, no? So and then divided by 30, which is the sum of the weights. Then next natin for year 2025, so we have 24 and 23. So for 2024, 417 multiplied by 20 plus yung ating pong 543 multiplied by 10 divided by 30. So next natin we have for 2024, so ang gagamitin natin ay yung previous year, so which is 2023 and 2022. So 543 times yung 20, which is higher weight, plus yung ating pong 2022 na 413 times 10 divided by 30. Next natin we have 2023 na ang kinukuha, so 22 and 21. So 413 mas recent times kay 20 plus yung ating 2021 na 509 multiplied by 10 divided by 30. Then we have 2020 and 2021 para makuha ang 2022. So mas recent yung 2021, so 509. Imo-multiply lang sa mas malaking weight plus ulit 481 times 10 divided by 30. Then yung ating sunod na kukuhanan ay 2021, so ang gagamitin ay 2019 and 2020. So mas recent si 2020, so we have 481 siya ang imu-multiply sa mas malaking weight plus yung atin pong 638. Ah, tama ba? Tama, 638. 638 times 10 divided by 30 ulit. And then lastly na, ano, is 2020. So kukuhanan ay 2018 and 2019. So that is 638 and 501. So mas recent si 638 times yung imo-multiply sa higher weight plus yung ating 501 multiplied by 10 divided by 30. Yan. So ganun lang siya. Ano? And then para makuha ulit yung forecast error, so absolute difference naman siya. So that will be the difference lang nung may mapapag-compare-an 'no. So hindi again, excluded na yung atin pong mga wala naman pong values na katapatan, ano. So difference lang po nitong actual sales and the weighted moving average forecast, ano, 'yan. So 2 decimal places 2 decimal naman tayo. So 590, 2.33 minus the 481. Then 533.33 minus 509. Next is 499.67 minus 413. Next is 543 minus 445. Next is 499.67 minus 417. Then 479 minus 459. Next is 688 minus 458.32. Yan. Then average lang ano, so we have plus, wait lang natin, 111.33 plus 24.33 plus 86.67 plus 98 plus 82.67 plus 20 plus 229.67. Then simply divided by 7 ulit, which is the total nito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. So ang atin pong error ano or the mean absolute deviation is 93.24. Yan. So cut muna ulit natin yung video. Thank you.